Welcome to the channel, K-Math Lab. Once again, we are looking at biggest fraction mistakes that students make. Have you been still failing fractions? Fix this. Number one mistake is adding the top and the bottom numbers directly. That is an example. Here we are going to take from this mistake of adding top and bottom directly. Like we have numerators and denominators. So when we're adding in fractions, for example, we have 3 out of 4 plus 2 out of 5. If you add this and you get 5 out of 9, you have added the top numbers, the numerators, 3 plus 2, and you have 5. And then the denominator is 4 plus 5, and you have 9. This is not right. It is wrong. It is a mistake that needs to be fixed. So what you need to do is to know the basic rule that we have to change the denominators to have the same common denominator, and then you will be able to write this fraction. For example, here we can fix it by multiplying here times 5 times 5 times 4 times 4 to get your new fraction as 15 out of 20 plus 8 out of 20. You can see that we have the same denominators, and when we have the same denominators, that means that we are on the right track. So we'll have here our answer as 23 out of 20. So that is going to be correct because you are adding fractions that have the same denominator. Now the next mistake number 2, is not simplifying your answers. Not simplifying your answers. Not simplifying answers is another mistake in this case. For example, now on the example given up, we have 23 over 20. In most cases, we will want you to simplify this into an improper fraction. So we will divide 23 divided by 20. So this will give us 23 divided by 20. This will give us, we'll know that there is 120 in 23. That's one whole number. If we go into divide 23 divided by 20, this is 1, then 20, the remainder is 3. So we write this one as this answer as one whole number, then the remainder is 3 out of the number which is doing the division, the divisor, which is 20. So here you are simplifying your answer, and this is going to make you pass this correctly. Instead of leaving it when it is not reduced, you will miss some of the marks from the examiners. Number 3 reason why one of the biggest mistakes in fractions that students make is flipping the wrong fraction in division. Flipping the wrong fraction in division. We know that in division we need to find the reciprocal of the second fraction. So at times students just flip the wrong fraction. For example, a quick example here is 5 out of 6 divided by 2 out of 3. Most students here come and write 6 out of 5. So because they know the division changes to a multiplication, then they change it to times 2 out of 3. Here you are going to get a wrong answer. Why? Because you are flipping a wrong fraction. The right way to do this will be, it will be 5 out of 6. Then times, you change the division to multiplication, then you flip the second fraction and you have 3 out of 2. Then this way you are on the right track. You can cancel 3 and 6, 1, 2. Then you have your answer as 5 out of 4, which we can still reduce to how many 4s are in 5, that is 1, and the remainder is 5 minus 4 is 1 out of 4. So these are some of the common mistakes that students make while dealing with fractions. Thank you. Please like our channel and subscribe, and then so that we can reach more people who need these lessons. See you in the next video.